Hey there, artists! This is Jensen Collins, a children's book illustrator out in Montana, and today we're going to draw a rainbow. Alright, so we're going to draw a rainbow. I'm going to start with black, which is the weirdest color to start a rainbow with, but you'll see where we're going. And I'm going to use our crayon tool, and I'm going to make a cloud over here in the bottom corner. We're going to use bouncing lines. Some of them will be small, some of them will be bigger, but mostly we don't want them all to be the same. And then we're going to go straight across on the bottom. Like that. On this side, we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to start with this straight across. And then I'm going to make more bouncing shapes on this side. All different sizes. All right, and those are the two clouds that our rainbow is going to sit on. So I like to do rainbows in the opposite order because it's easier to add on top than it is sometimes to squeeze into this little bit. So I'm going to start with a purple. And I'm going to start on the very tippy toe of this cloud. And I'm going to draw in a big C shape to the other cloud. And go up a little bit, draw another C shape, and I'm going to color that in. Next, I'm going to go find a blue color. I'm going to follow the C shape we just made. I'm going to go up a little, and I'm going to add another C shape. I'm going to color it in. Next, I'm going to go and find a green that I like that one. We're going to follow the same C shape. Go up a little bit, and by up now, instead of up, we're kind of going across the clouds. But we're going to make a C shape that goes over our green, just like we did with violet and blue. And then we're going to color it in. Next, I'm going to grab a yellow. We're going to follow that C shape that we made earlier. I'm also going to go and make a taller C shape and color it in. Next, we're going to do an orange. I'm going to go with, that one's lovely. I'm going to follow our C shape just like we have been. I'm going to go out a little bit and make another C shape. And color it in. Last but not least in our rainbow, we just need to pick a red color. I'm going to go with that one. First thing we're going to do, like we have been doing, is just follow the curve that we've already made. And we'll go to the edge of this cloud. And we'll make a big curve all the way to the edge of this cloud. And we'll color it in. All right, and if you're like me, you might want to go back and grab your black, because sometimes I don't always stop in time. I might go over a few of the cloud places where we were just coloring. so they're nice and clear. You could stop here. You have a gorgeous rainbow. Or you can join me in grabbing your marker. We can draw a little C shape here and a little C shape here. We'll do kind of like a backwards J on that side and a C shape on this side. We're going to add some legs and some little feet. We'll add a C shape for a smile with little C shapes on the end. A C shape for a smile with little C shapes on the end. And for these cloud friends, I'm just going to make some happy upside down C shapes like this. Same on this side. And maybe some eyebrows. All right, and there you have it, some rainbow friends.